Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LSX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.